Ahoy mates! Welcome on board the brand new Disney Wish, a beautiful ship. We are loving it so far. We are here for a 3-night sailing. If you're interested in more information about the Disney Wish, like daily videos or a full and complete ship tour, every public area on board this vessel, be sure to check out our Disney Wish playlist on our YouTube channel. But for today's video, I'm going to take you around, give you a quick tour of our accommodations on this ship. We do have a Deluxe Oceanview Verandah stateroom category 05C, if you want to get specific, room number 6544. So let's go ahead and get it started. Our tour of our stateroom on board the beautiful brand new Disney Wish begins right now. So just around the corners from the forward elevators and stairs, which are right there in that doorway, we turn here on the starboard side of the ship and we find room 6544. Now when you first arrive to your room on boarding day, there will be a small envelope just like this one that will have your key to the world cards in it, which are like your room keys, things you use to charge, all of that stuff. So you'll just tear open that envelope, it'll be sealed, and then use it to open the room. So let's go ahead and head inside. So let's turn back around and cover the door and entryway area to begin. So on the back of the door, you'll find your assembly station information as well as the reminder that there is no smoking in the staterooms. Down below, you'll have your lock and your hanger that you can put outside to let them know that the room is occupied and you would like to not be disturbed. There's also a peephole with a cover here as well. Flip it up and down just like that. Now, this switch here, we have the main light switch for the room that'll turn on all the ceiling lights and all that jazz. And then this is a key card holder. You need to have a room key or other card inserted like that to power on most of the lights, the air conditioning, and things like that. So when we come back here, I'm just going to take a step back for a minute because we're going to have a couple of different doors that we can go through here. One other thing before we go through any doors I wanted to point out is the thermostat to control the aforementioned air conditioning. So pretty simple, up and down. You got a sliding scale there of how cold. If you want to get it quickly cold, like you come in, it's not cold enough, hit the little snowflake there. Elsa does her business, and you'll be cold in no time. There you go. I don't know if you can hear it, but they are just kicked on. So on the right side, next to the thermostat, we have the bathroom doors. Because this is a deluxe room on Disney Cruise Line, it's going to be a split bathroom. But first, let's talk about what's on the left. We have our brand new and improved closet design. I love this setup. So much better than the old ones, and no doors that open out towards you in a small area. These just slide like that. The lights automatically come on, as you can see. So for this side, you have a cubby up above, your hanging rack here, and then it's just open down to the bottom storage level. In the middle, we're going to find our personal flotation devices, our life jackets, you might call them, our laundry bag down here, and then our in-room safe, which you can see is actually just a sliding drawer like that. Maybe a small laptop, maybe iPad, jewelry, passports, things like that, watches. Yeah, you'll be fine. Not anything too much bigger than that. And then down below you have two additional cubby cubby storage spaces there. Now on the side closest to the door, which has its own sliding door, open that up, lights come on. We'll find an additional life jacket, some more hanging space, 2 Disney Cruise Line robes. Get the little insignia there, and then again it's just open all the way down to the bottom. So really like this design, so much better with the sliding doors. Really helps on space, avoids pinched fingers like old doors used to have. Really great design, love it. Turning back around, I mentioned the split bathroom design, so let's take a look at that. First of all, I love the little insignia on this door. Open that up, and we're gonna find the toilet section of the bathroom. So when we go inside our toilet, we have our sink vanity area there, some storage down below with extra towels, trash can, things like that. Paper brush back there. You do have a couple of hanging rods as well as some additional shelves, your main towel holder there up on the wall, illuminated mirror. You do have some shelves over on this side as well, and a plug for an electric shaver. There's also, of course, a light in here up above, fan, and then a speaker. Announcement is being made. You'll be able to hear it inside the bathroom. But one thing I really like is they have put the light switches inside the bathroom. A lot of times on a cruise ship, it's out here and you have to hit it before you go in and it can cause a problem. This one though, you get the light switches in here. The main light, of course, is going to turn all of that on. Night light, let's look down below. That soft orange glow down on the floor. So if you want to be able to find your way to the bathroom at night, but you don't want a bright light keeping you up, waking other people up, being bright in your eyes, you have the night light option. Now, we have the other door on this side. Again, split bathroom plan. And as the little thing says, watch your step when you come up because it is a step up into the bathroom on both sides. This door does have a full-length mirror attached on the back side. As we go in, we'll find our nice vanity area. Pretty sizable, actually. Towels, trash can, tissues down below. Your main towel racks here on the right. And again, light switch on the inside here. Just the one, no night light on this side. You do have a couple of hanging rods here and some shelves over to the right side of the vanity. Illuminated mirror once again on this side. But what I really like is on the Disney Wish here, they have gone away with the shower curtains and now have just this glass door. It can open in, it can open out, but it gives you a ton of space inside this tub shower combo. Do have the clothesline that goes across up above there. Your adjustable and removable shower head wand there. 2 shelves and then an additional shelf that stores the H2O Plus. You know you got to do that on Disney Cruise Line. Shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. Controls for the shower down below. There is also a handle here. And I mentioned it is a tub shower combo. So you can see it's actually a pretty sizable tub space down below there. And I am 6 foot tall even and a pretty large person, and the showers on Disney Cruise Line are usually a tight squeeze for me. Not the case here. This is a very nice shower setup. All right, let's continue with the rest of the room space here. I'm gonna turn and show that there is a hanging little hook there on the little small part of the wall. And then we'll find our bed space. How about this lovely artwork that they have put up above the headboard? And it's kind of hard to get on camera, but the different stars have a shimmer effect. Oh, maybe you kind of saw it there when I moved. Check it out right there. Yeah, see? So it has a shimmer glitter effect when the light hits it just right, which really adds to the magic. And then you do have the, I guess it's basically a queen size bed here. Extremely comfortable. Got the little Wish logo down there at the bottom. Now, when it comes to the bed space, we're also seeing improvements here, mainly in the way of plugs. So both sides are going to have the wall lamps, which have the 2 knobs. So the one up above controls the lamp, the one down below controls the reading light, which is adjustable. And both sides are also going to have the little nightstands with the pull-out drawers. But you see there are going to be some different plugs here. So this side has like the European plug and 2 USBs. The side over here has 2 like standard American outlets, 2 USBs, and then I always forget, is this a USB-C? That kind, whatever it is, I always forget what it's called. They have that as well. So tons and tons of plug options right near the bed. I know that's great for people with mobile devices, people with CPAP machines. Having those plugs there right near the bed space is always a welcome feature. Both sides are going to have 2 light switches too that control the light up above here that points kind of like at the artwork, and then also just the main ceiling light, so you can get in bed and then turn all the lights off, which is great. Under the bed you will find plenty of storage space. It's completely open down below, so you can throw your suitcases under there if you choose to do so. Now, across from the bed, another improvement I'm really loving. First of all, a much larger television than we've seen in other staterooms. Oh, Dash just ran across there. And you still have all the Disney movies on demand, all the animated features, Pixar, Star Wars, live action, Marvel, all on demand there in your stateroom. Live TV as well. You can check the Daily Navigator, get some information, all that jazz there. But I like that it's a larger TV, and I like that it's now mounted on the wall directly in front of the bed instead of being over here kind of in its own little space on a swivel arm. Speaking of that though, there is no pivot, swivel, tilt, or anything with this TV. It is hard mounted to the wall. So now we'll swing around here and we'll find our desk and vanity area. So we do have the 3 smaller shelves on this side, and another great new feature, the stateroom phone is mounted here inside of that little cubby space. Instead of being over by the bed taking up someone's nightstand space, you now have it there away and tucked up from everything else. So a really nice feature. Remote for the TV, trash can down below. We have our little kind of ottoman slash little seat that you can use, and we have the big pull-out drawer, which is going to have safety information, a couple little postcards, a pen, and a room service ordering form for breakfast in the morning if you'd like to use that. Big desk space here, some nifty gifties from Disney Cruise Line for the inaugural season. Thank you for that. Glasses right over there with the covers, and then 3 smaller shelves. They're long, but they're not very deep over on this side. Now you see we have the illuminated mirror You see the different switches here. So mirror is going to be the mirror light. We're just talking about ceiling is going to be the light above on the ceiling. This is where it gets funny. You would think that these control, by the wording, you would think it'd be the balcony curtains, which I have drawn right now. We're going to get to the balcony in just a little bit. You would think it would control those. It does not. So what this means is curtain is for the curtain light. See that strip of light above the curtain? If I flip this switch, it goes off and then it goes back on. That's what curtain is. Balcony is the light that's outside on the balcony. Again, we'll show that in just a little bit. Now over here, we have a small drawer, which does have a hair dryer and the hot mat. So if you're using a straightener or a curling iron or something like that, you can put it on the hot mat and keep things nice and safe. And then you have a drawer, or cabinet, excuse me, that flips open there with a couple of cubby spaces down below. Another drawer, just for standard storage. And then you would think this is some kind of like big cabinet drawer, right? It's actually the fridge. The mini fridge is just a pull-out, like drawer style on the Disney Wish, which is fun. I don't know if that's an improvement or not, but it's definitely interesting. Here's something that is really great though, more plugs. So you see we have the two standard American outlets, the European outlet down below, two USBs there, two USBs there, and again the USB-C, I think it's called, right there. So lots and lots of electricity options here in the stateroom. Last part we need to get to on the inside here is the couch space. We got the nice Cinderella carriage artwork up above there. You see our nice long big sofa. It is quite firm, I will say that. Maybe it just needs to be broken in because it's new, but it is quite a bit hard. And then you do have the table, which can kind of slide under there, so that's nice. You can move it around. And this should change to a bed. Now, the stateroom attendant will do this for you, but I always like to show just kind of how easy it is in case you want to do it on your own. So this is real time. I haven't messed with it before. Let's see how it goes. All right, so let's see here. I'm going to move the table out of the way. I don't even know if that's necessary, but I do believe it should usually just flips down here. But that is not happening. Maybe doing it in real time was not the best idea. So there's nothing moving, nothing to grab onto, but I'm almost positive that this is a bed. Oh, there we go. It was just, it hasn't been used. So I had to put quite a bit of muscle into that one. Maybe the pillow being lodged in there was not helping things, but it is that simple. Just to flip it over, kind of jackknife style, and there's the bed. So maybe now that it's been done, it won't be as difficult to do again. It is quite heavy. That is pretty heavy. So I would let the stateroom attendant handle that. But if you wanted to know how it works, there you go. Now, before we head out to the balcony, a couple things I wanted to point out. You do have the blackout curtains, which you can pull all the way across, block out all the light, or you have the thin day shears, which you can just keep open there as well. And then you do have a safety lock. So if you want to prevent a child from being able to open the door, this is quite high. It's up above my head, and again, I'm 6 feet, so they should not be able to reach that. There's instructions for how to use that right there. And then the door system is just the standard. When it's up, it's locked, push it down, and then pull across to open. All right, let's go ahead and go out to the balcony and take a look. So of course you're gonna have your step up and over as you come out, so just be careful. But you have a nice little table here, and the accompanying 2 chairs. A nice Disney Cruise Line mesh on there. Pretty standard size. You're going to have the clear plexiglass with the railing to see through there. And then open air up above in this area. So when we turn back, you got your dividers here. I do believe those can be opened up if you would like. Just request the stateroom attendant to open them for you on either side there. And then you do have the light up above. That's from the switch inside that says balcony on the light switches near the mirror in the desk area. So yeah, there's your look here. We're in the in Nassau, Bahamas today, so you can get the idea of what kind of view you would have and how good you can see the water. Main thing I wanted to point out from this balcony in this particular stretch is that the promenade deck area that people can walk on is right there. So it kind of goes and heads up to the front there, and you can also see back here to the little rescue speedboat and the lifeboat. So I guess technically your view is blocked a little bit. You cannot look straight down to the water, but you do have a pretty good view from here all the same. Well, there you have it, friends. That is our tour of our stateroom on board the Disney Wish. We love the improvements that have been made. It has a feel of kind of similar design to maybe a Quantum class ship on Royal Caribbean, with some of the new modern elements, different design techniques that really help in this kind of space, really help you with efficiency and having a ability to charge and all that kind of stuff. So really enjoying it and really enjoying this ship overall. Again, if you're interested in more information, more videos, more content from the Disney Wish, including that full and complete ship tour, be sure to check out our Disney Wish playlist on our channel. And if you're interested in coming on board and sailing on the Disney Wish or maybe another Disney Cruise Line vessel, we can make any and all of that happen. As travel agents, it would be our pleasure. Our services are completely free to you. We never charge a single cost or fee whatsoever, and your price will not increase a single cent by booking with us rather than booking direct, and then we'll be there to help you the rest of the way. So feel free to reach out via that travel agent information. You can find it in the description of this video, or feel free to visit our website, HoffmanHappyTravels.com. We hope we'll hear from you soon. Once again, I want to thank you for joining us for today's video, but we're signing off. We'll see you next time. Happy travels!